I want you to come up with a group where we can have at least 5 different names. That group can be of people, like you can come up with eminent personalities. So there are few ways, like you can select cricketers, so we can come up with 5 cricketers. You can think of film personalities, maybe actors or directors or singers or music directors. This is a way of creating a group from professions or personalities. We can also have another group of maybe objects, like you can come up with 5 birds and we can name 5 birds. You can also come up with name of cities. So there is a huge array. You can come up with any group, be creative about it, surprise me, in which other people can come up with their own names. I have a card जिसके पीछे I have written predictions about few things. So it is fair enough that before we start everything, I want to make sure that I don't change that card. I can write some word, I can write some name, I can draw something quickly so that we lock onto that this is the card that we are going to use for the prediction.
Write your name, your own name.
My own name, okay? Can you read my name?
Yes.
Anything else? I'll just draw a smiley over here. It is very difficult to draw like this. This is a smiley that I had drawn. And I am going to tuck this prediction on my head. Something like this here. So can you see me?
Sure.
My name and the prediction behind it. So now we are locked with the predictions. Santosh, I want you to come up with a group, maybe of people, object, places, or anything.
Types of flowers.
Flowers. Everybody agrees to that? Okay.
Sure.
The problem with men is that they know only 2 or 3 flowers. Pooja,
Rose.
do you want to stick with rose or you want to change it? You have that chance.
Okay, I can choose Lily in that case. I like Lily more.
Lily. Okay. So I want to show you something. Pooja, can you choose one of the finger? This is pinky finger, ring finger, middle finger, forefinger, and the thumb.
Pinky finger.
Pinky finger. Is it LLY or LLY? Okay. मुझे जो समझ में आया वो मैंने लिख दिया. Apurva, can you come up with name of a flower and choose a
My
finger?
favorite is Brahma Kamal. I don't know what you call it.
Okay, so we will write Brahma Kamal. Can you choose a finger?
I'll go for thumb.
Thumb. Okay. So I'll write in Marathi Brahma Kamal. Now, Gauri ji, if you can quickly come up with
Magnolia.
अरे स्पेलिंग पण सांगा आणि बोट पण सांगा. You have to indicate a finger.
Finger, middle finger.
Middle
MAGNOLIA.
Okay, whatever it is. Now we have Himali.
Onsafa.
Son Safa. Can you choose a finger?
Ring finger.
Ring finger. Okay. So I am writing Son Safa, and now I am left with just one female participant. Tanuja, can you quickly come up and tell me the name of a flower?
Jasmine.
Jasmine. Can you name the spelling? JASMIN or E?
E.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now we have few participants, those might be feeling left out. So Mangesh ji, I want you to come up with one number between 5 to 15. Sorry? 7. I am writing it here. 7. Ganu Kaka, come up with a number between 5 to 15.
9.
9. Okay, Nupura, if you can come up with one number 5 to 15.
15.
1, 5, 15.
Yeah.
Okay. Devashish, can you come up with number quickly?
12.
1 to 12. Right? So these are the number those we have come up with very randomly. Somebody said 7, 9, 15, 12. I don't know who said what. Can we quickly add them? I will speak in Hindi. 7 और 9, 16, 16 और 15, 31, 31 और 12.
43.
Sorry, 43. Okay. I might have influenced someone to say 7, someone to say 9, someone to say 15, and someone to say 12. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to randomize it. I want Pooja to help me with this. Have a deck of cards. This is a normal deck of cards. Just I'm going to get rid of this. You can see we have all the cards, those are mixed up. Pooja, I'm going to very slowly pick up cards like this, peel one by one. You say stop on some card and I'm going to take that value and subtract that value from 43. You can say stop whenever you think this is the card that is giving you a call.
Stop.
Sure? There is one card which is under my thumb and there is one card which is here.
Under your thumb.
Under my thumb.
Under your thumb.
Okay, so let me show you what is this card. This card is a king. What is the value of king? 13. 13. Okay, now let me show you. If you would have said stop later, you could have stopped at 5. If you would have said stop earlier, you could have stopped at other cards. But you stopped at king. If I subtract 13 from 43, I come to 30. Now I am going to count 30 numbers on this finger. And let's see where we reach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So we reached at Jasmine. Now let me quickly recap. Santosh came up with a group which was Flowers. Being a music director, he could have chosen singers, which he had actually chosen, but I asked him not to. Then we had few participants and asked them to come up with the names. And we have names like Lily to Son Safa to Jasmine to even Brahma Kamal. Then we also had few of the participants, those were left out. I asked them the numbers, they randomly come up with some number. We drew a card from a random deck of cards. If after doing all these things, suppose if this 30 instead of 30, 27, some different finger, one number were before and after, we could have stopped at either Magnolia or Brahma Kamal. Eventually, your collectively decision taking led us to Jasmine. Now before I started the routine, I told you that I have a card which is going to be tucked in my head. Identify the card. Ganu Kaka, is it the same card?
Yes.
It is.
And now let me tell you, I knew Santosh is going to say a group which is going to be a flower.
Bravo, bravo.
And not only that, it doesn't end there. I also knew that all the calculation that we are going to do, doesn't matter whatever numbers you come up with, we are always going to narrow down on the flower, Jasmine.
Sweet.
My God.
So I wrote this even before we started the routine. So this is called mind influencing. Let me take
Is that
this.
how you always negotiated, Shrikant? When it comes to song, I'm never negotiating